In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Amazon to Shopify. We'll walk through this using a popular tool called the Amazon Importer Spreader app, which lets you bring Amazon products into your Shopify store. I'll take you step by step inside your Shopify dashboard, so feel free to follow along on your own screen. First, open your Shopify admin dashboard and log into your store. This is your main control center, where you manage products, orders, and apps. Once you're in, look toward the top or side of the page for the search bar. This search tool is really handy because it lets you quickly jump to different areas in Shopify without hunting through the menu. In the search bar, type apps and then click on the apps section when it appears. This takes you to the place where all your installed apps live and where you can discover new ones to extend your store's functionality. On the apps page, find and click on all recommended apps. Shopify highlights useful tools here based on common store needs. From there, look for the option to go to the Shopify App Store and click it. This will open the full app marketplace, where we can search for the tool we need. In the Shopify App Store search bar, type Amazon Importer Spreader app. Make sure you spell it correctly so the right app comes up. You should now see the Amazon Importer Spreader app in the search results. Click on it to open the app's details page. Here you can read more about what it does, check reviews, and see pricing information. Take a moment to scan through this so you understand how it connects Amazon products to your Shopify store. When you're ready, click the Install button on the app page. Shopify will redirect you back to your store and show you an installation screen. Here, you'll see the permissions the app is requesting, and in most cases, details about any charges. Click Install again to confirm. Next, you'll be asked to approve the app's billing or subscription if applicable. Review the plan information shown on the screen, then click Approve to move forward. Once the app is installed and approved, you'll be guided through the setup process inside SpreadyR. Follow the on-screen prompts, which may include connecting your Amazon account or affiliate details, and choosing how products should be imported and displayed. Continue through each step until the setup is complete. After that, you'll be ready to start importing Amazon products into your Shopify store using the SpreadyR app.